A beautiful saying reminds us, as you grow, you'll learn that silence often speaks louder than words ever could. Life has a way of teaching us that not every moment demands our voice. Sometimes the greatest impact comes not from speaking, but from listening, observing, and truly understanding. In silence, we find clarity. In listening, we learn perspectives that words alone can't reveal. Silence is not weakness. It's wisdom, patience, and strength. It's knowing when to hold back, when to let others be heard, when to let your actions speak for you. As you navigate through life, remember, words have power, but silence often carries the weight of truth. Choose it wisely, for in the quiet moments, you grow the most.